Hi, I'm Carl Thompson from StorageCraft. In this video, you're going to learn about the StorageCraft Disaster Recovery as a Service solution. So why do you need to include the cloud in your disaster recovery plan? You're probably bombarded with information on why you should back up data to the cloud. But what does this really mean? Let's go back to basics. Why do you need to back up? What is backup versus disaster recovery? Where does the cloud fit in? And are all clouds the same? Data is the lifeline of your business. Don't just think of a disaster as what you might see on the evening news, such as fires, floods, or earthquakes. They are everyday events which can be a disaster to your business. With threats like ransomware on the rise, it is important now more than ever to have a plan. Backup does not mean you have disaster recovery. DR means you can rapidly recover, whether it's on-site, off-site, or in the cloud. Let's take a look at the very basic disaster recovery best practice. Firstly, back up locally for fast and frequent backups throughout the day without disrupting users. This offers local file and folder recovery as well as rapid disaster recovery for an isolated event. Then automatically replicating offsite allows for a secure second copy somewhere else, which can leverage bandwidth throttling to again reduce impact to your users. So let's take a quick look at this. Local backups on-site are fast and as frequent as every 15 minutes with Shadow Protect. Leveraging Shadow Protect for local backups is usually enough to recover IT systems from a server failure and other common problems. You have virtual boot and head start restore technology to rapidly recover right back into your production environment. But a site-wide disaster will destroy those backups and result in major downtime and data loss for a business. So automatically replicating a second copy for secure offsite storage and disaster recovery is critical. What are the options for offsite cloud disaster recovery? Let's break it down to two categories. Firstly, a basic cloud storing your backups. This might be something such as Amazon's S3 or remote storage. Being able to quickly restore your data in this scenario may be difficult, and you'll likely need to factor in days or weeks to get your data back. In some instances, you'll need to contact your service provider to restore the data for you. It might not be self-service, and you may have to pay fees. Often this can be costly to get your data back or recovered somewhere else. The second category of cloud is one that is more sophisticated, where you can spin up and run your business. So think instant access, one-click recovery, a cloud purpose-built for end-to-end disaster recovery. Literally flip a switch and virtualize your entire network and all your servers in the cloud within minutes. You don't need to call anyone. There's no activation fees, no ongoing costs, no charge to migrate back on site. Typically, purpose-built disaster recovery clouds include multiple options such as bare metal drive-based recovery, file and folder recovery, or complete virtualization. StorageCraft Disaster Recovery as a Service offers everything from file and folder recovery and machine virtualization to instant failover of an entire site and network through an easy-to-use self-service online portal. Know that data is safe and always available inside our distributed, scalable, fault-tolerant cloud built specifically for disaster recovery. Our privacy and security measures ensure that only you can access stored backup images. Customize cloud storage to fit your needs. Whether your IT environment is small and straightforward or large and complex, choose the service level based on your needs. Enjoy low costs, control over cloud settings, and predictable monthly pricing. Centrally manage and monitor all your StorageCraft cloud service accounts as well as failover in a disaster without third-party intervention. You'll have complete control over the networking, which allows for seamless failover during a disaster. So in conclusion, your data is your most valuable asset. Having a robust disaster recovery plan is an absolute must for companies of all sizes. But if you can't restore quickly, your backups have little value to you. StorageCraft DR as a Service offers no upfront investment in hardware, low monthly fee, comprehensive DR failover in the cloud, and the facility to revert back on site when you're ready. Contact us today to find out more or to see a demonstration.